Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a website link to your Facebook page using the new Facebook page experience. So this method is different from the classic Facebook page setup, so follow along to get it done quickly. So for us to be able to begin, you need to make sure first that you're onto your Facebook page already. So if you're still onto your personal profile, just click onto your profile icon here onto the upper right corner of the screen and choose in the page. So since I'm currently in already, let's proceed to the next step. So this is where we're gonna go ahead and add your website link. So you need to go onto your Facebook page first. So click onto your name back again in here or your profile and you'll get redirected here. And then right after, we're gonna scroll here and we're gonna click on edit details to edit all of the details that we have here. So as you can see, we have your website. So this is where we could update this. So just simply click on update your information in here so that you could edit this one. So click onto that. And then right after, let's scroll and let's add a website. So feel free to paste in any links that you have in here. Like for example, this is a link of a Google Note that I have. So this is just a sample for that. We'll just have to click on save and that website link is pasted already in here. So you could also try to go ahead and change the visibility for that. So since this one is for a Facebook page, it is set to public already. And once saved, your website will now be visible on your Facebook page. So going back, let's refresh this, go back to our Facebook page, and if you scroll down, as you can see, we have the link already in here. And that is how easy you go ahead and link your website to your Facebook page using the new method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.